Oh, my mamma mia! Picture this, a bridge so extraordinary, it'll make your heart race and your legs go weak with awe. Today, we're about to embark on a journey into the skies, to discover a marvel that defies gravity itself. Behold, the ethereal masterpiece known as the Flying Saucer Bridge, gracefully suspended in the heavens over the heart of Gansu, China. At a staggering total length of 2,800 meters, it's a bridge that seems to have been plucked straight from the realms of science fiction. What sets this bridge apart, you ask? Well, brace yourself, because there are no fulcrums supporting this architectural marvel for a jaw-dropping 400 meters. It's as if a celestial saucer has been placed in the sky, inviting us to dance among the clouds. But that's not all. The bridge's deck, composed of tens of thousands of transparent glass panels, grants you a mesmerizing glimpse of the world below your feet. It's like walking on air, with nothing but crystal-clear glass separating you from the abyss. And here's the kicker. This bridge has etched its name in history, setting a Guinness World Record as the longest glass bridge ever constructed. An achievement that boggles the mind and leaves you breathless. But I must warn you, my friends, this bridge isn't for the faint of heart. Every step you take feels like a journey to the sky itself, a road that tests the mettle of even the bravest souls. It's a road that may just make your palms sweat and your knees quiver, but therein lies the magic. It's a challenge that beckons, daring you to overcome your fears and embark on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. So, the question remains, do you dare to challenge the road to the sky with weak legs? This isn't just a bridge, it's an experience that will leave you forever changed. The Flying Saucer Bridge, where dreams touch the sky.